Yeah, hi
I think
Saad.
Yeah, Muhammad, please.
Yeah, hi
Yeah,
Saad.
Muhammad, please. Hi, hi.
Yeah. I'm based out of Karimnagar, Telangana. I have around 5.5 years of experience in integration engineer. Like
Mm-hmm.
I have currently working in entity data
Mm-hmm.
as a support role. As actually I'm having around 5.0 years of experience in App Connect Enterprise, IBM integration bus, as well as MQ.
Okay,
So,
okay.
so future is about like total is like AI, right? So that's why I want to explore it, and
Yeah,
I
and
need to change switch to my career into AI. So that's why actually I'm looking this course for 6 months. But now I have chance. I got the chance.
great decision. Yeah. So yeah,
Yeah,
people are very smart to take decisions. Great decision. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Please. Yeah. Any other persons? Any other students would like to give introduction?
I'm Pushottam. I have 10 years of experience on UI UX designing. I want to
Okay.
learn AI to explore my skills. Actually,
Okay.
I am using generative AI tools for brochure designing or static HTML template designing, but I am unable to
Okay.
develop dynamic websites by using AI tools. So
Okay.
that
Okay.
I am preparing to build dynamic websites and web applications, other mobile applications by using AI tools. That is the main goal. Uh,
Okay.
Last few months, I'm working on tools. I'll develop some static websites, but I was unable to develop dynamic websites.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Understood. I understood. Okay. Mm-hmm.
That's the
So you
main.
want, yeah, you want to build dynamic subject or dynamic applications, right? Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Great. Yeah. Okay. We can do. We will do with the with the help of cloud also. Cloud we can do that thing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Great. Thank you, Purushottam. Yeah. So any other person? Ganesh. Uh, something.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
Hi, myself Ganesh. I have around 10 years of experience. So currently
Mm-hmm.
I'm working as a senior data engineer. So
Okay. Okay.
that's it.
Fine. Okay. Thank you, Ganesh. Okay. I think you are senior than me then. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Any other students? So I think everything is Telugu people. అందరు తెలుగు people అనుకుంటా కదా అందరూ. I think anyone is from the non-Telugu. Anyone is there? I think. I hope it is
Excuse
a.
me, sir. Excuse
No.
me,
Yeah,
sir.
please. Yeah, please. Yeah, please.
Sorry for the interruption, sir. We don't
Yeah.
have iPhone at the same time. Vijay and K Giramoni, these details for this person's phone number. We
Did.
don't have
Yeah.
iPhone.
Who are? Yeah, who are there? Please. I mean, iPhone. I think he dropped already. So remaining
No,
people
sir, he
need to do.
didn't put any number, phone number there. I didn't recognize any number there.
I think he sent personal to me actually. Like the private message. I think.
Could you please share me that? And Vijay and K Giramoni, sir. Vijay Garu and K Giramoni.
Yes, I will
Yeah.
share my name.
Please share your
Please
personal number
do
to
in.
Sai Kumar, sir. Personally chat.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be better. Yeah.
And K Giramoni. K Giramoni. Okay, sir, you may continue. Thank you.
Yeah. Sure. Thank
Share
you.
the numbers to me. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So any other person is there wanted to give the introduction to the class? Giramoni something is there again. Okay.
Hey, hi, Sai. This is Srikanth.
Hi Shrikant.
Hey, hi. Good evening. Yeah. So I am a developer, .NET developer, having 5+ years of experience. So I have a couple of questions. Can I ask, Sai?
Yeah, you can ask.
This question is how this course may help me in my career growth. I mean,
You're data engineer, right?
no, I'm a .NET developer.
.NET developer.
Yeah.
So especially for .NET developers, simply I mean integrating with generative AI means it is like a compatible tool only we can able to use for the everything, but so we have to know how to use in the particular domain. For example, so I'm a completely belong to Python kind of thing. Okay, so I know in my platform how to use the this generative AI kind of thing. So I know that particularly about Python. So in the .NET also we will see. I mean, I didn't have. I mean, I didn't get the chance to explore the .NET but .NET point of view to integrate the implement the chart. I mean, like our generative AI kind of to the .NET. So in your career means, so give me some time for sure. I will explore that thing
Okay.
and how that generative AI will be helpful to you in your domain. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
If not .NET, let's say I want to switch. Now I want to go with this generative AI and completely move from .NET to AI side because I'm a programmer. I mean developer. So so what kind of careers that I can choose with this course? I mean, if I learn generative AI, whatever that you're giving now. So what are
Yeah.
the career options that I have that I will be having?
Yeah. Okay. So first of all, in this curriculum, we will learn the Python complete. I mean, basic level to hard level. I mean, what is advanced level Python we will learn.
Okay.
After completion of this thing, we will see the some frameworks like not exactly frameworks. First of all, we will discuss NLP, natural language processing. So what is the pre-processing we will do? After that one, we will discuss the recurrent neural networks. Completely, it is advancement of the NLP. So we're having a LSTM, RNN, BERT, transformers. Okay, this kind of and some minor level LLMs will be there. Okay,
Okay.
after discussion of all these things, we're having the major discussion of the LLMs. I mean, our actual generative like LLMs using the Llama, and the Gemini's kind of thing, Hugging Face we will use. After this one, so based on this thing, we will use the we will build our own chatbots. Okay, so using the any kind of LLM we will take, so we will build the chatbot particular to the medical field. So I will show you the different chatbots we can able to do. After this one, so we will build our own chat GPT. Okay, with our own. I mean, what is the data we're having? For example, chat GPT is having the 500 GB of the train data. Something. I mean, having the 70 billion of parameters are there.
Okay.
But by using the same ChatGPT API, we will build our own ChatGPT based on the, for example, we will take our own office data. So we can train. So in this way, there are high chances that you can become a first of all a AI engineer. Why? Because we are discussing the RNN. Second thing
Okay.
is, so you can become the generative AI engineer. Okay.
Okay.
And third thing is you can become a NLP engineer also. So
Okay.
the high chances that you can become these three roles. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the thing. Yeah.
Yeah. And in the PPT that is given to us, I see around 22 modules, which is covering AWS, Azure, GitHub,
Yeah.
and agents, some of the agents. So will you be covering all those topics,
All
all
these
these
things,
modules?
yes, we will. Correct. Yeah, we will be covering all those things in the upcoming classes.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah. Thanks,
So
Sai.
of course, it is a very, I mean, broad. What is that? Syllabus actually. So,
Yes.
but it is very helpful to you, right? So if you can able to learn all these things, yeah, means for your career transition, it is required actually.
Okay.
So you're coming from the one domain to another domain means you should know all those things. Then only you are having a much weightage. So in the interview kind of thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thanks, Sai.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Any other person is there? They want to get introduction or any questions kind of thing. Yeah. So if you don't have any questions, let us go for our notes. So let me give my introduction to the class first of all. So my name is Sai Kumar. So I live in Hyderabad only. Basically, I'm from Warangal, but I live in Hyderabad. So I'm having around 8+ years of experience in the 8+ years of experience. Okay, years of experience in complete data field. So I worked as a first one is like I worked as a machine learning engineer. Okay, ML engineer. Okay, so after that I worked as a deep learning engineer. Deep learning engineer. Okay, so data scientist. Okay, so data scientist after this one. So I worked as a AI engineer. Okay, AI engineer. So last one my experience is, I mean not last one, computer vision engineer I worked with. So computer vision engineer. So different roles are there. So our last one is I recently worked with AI. Okay, AI engineer. Gen AI engineer. Okay, Gen AI engineer. So that is the understanding, guys. So engineer. So these are the my complete roles I served in the complete 8 years of experience. Okay, so in this one, so majorly I worked with clients. Like for example, if you want to see the clients from I worked on, so those are like a national projects also there, are there, and international projects are there. For example, if you see, so in the from the national side, I worked with the so in India, completely in India. So I worked with JSW, okay, PNG, so BPCL, okay, so HPCL, okay, and HPCL and SAIL, okay. So these are the some important projects I worked on. So where I played a major role as a designer actually, okay. So in the international projects means I worked majorly. I worked with what is that, aviation side completely. So if you know Brussels Airport, okay, Brussels Airport, okay. So next one like a Dubai Airport. So where we have implemented the complete generative here. Why? Because they need some chatbot kind of thing. Okay, so that is the reason in this complete aviation project. So I given the my contribution in the side of the generative AI engineer. Okay, so Dubai Airport. Okay, and ADR project. So last one is like a AirAsia project. So AirAsia project. So these are my clients. So I worked with this kind of clients, guys. So I'm having these things. And after this one, so this is completely my industrial experience. So not only this one, I'm having so as a technical trainer, I'm having a 7+ years of experience. So 7+ years of experience. Okay, in the technical trainer. So I trained in the machine learning, deep learning, data. So everything. Okay, complete data science, full stack. So generative AI engineer completely. I trained the students almost like I trained the so like a 25k plus students, okay, students and 500 members. So that is my experience, guys. So from the today onwards, so if you're interested to learn the complete generative AI with me means, so I will be assisting you in the learning the complete generative AI along with the good projects, end-to-end projects. So these are not a normal projects, guys. The projects will be end-to-end means along with the development of the model, along with the engineering and the deployment will be there. Okay. So we will be discuss. Okay, we are having a 3 days discussion, right? So in these 3 days, so I will be discussing so many things regarding our generative AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. Okay, so and after that and some important discussion of the chatbots. So these kind of things I will be discussing in these 3 days. So in these 3 days, guys, based on your working domain, I will try to change your perspective of thinking, okay, about the artificial intelligence. So what the scope is there? How much? What is that? What is that? Opportunities are there in the complete AI field? So I will try to showcase in these 3 days. Okay. So let us understand. So our agenda is for these 3 days. I would like to discuss. Okay, if time permits means we will discuss everything. If not means we will. We will extend that discussion in our regular classes. Okay, so I will discuss completely with first of all generative AI. Okay, generative AI. Okay, AI. So we can say it is like an introduction, intro. So this is our first agenda. After this one, we will discuss about artificial intelligence. Okay, intelligence. So which is a major one, guys. So which is like a backbone for the generative AI. Okay, so we will discuss the artificial intelligence. Okay, and we can say machine learning. Okay, and last one is like a deep learning. So we will see what are the individual one and what is the difference between the artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so that is the thing. So next one is, so we will see the generative AI recap means so recap means we will do the one mini project here. Okay, that means let us explore the ChatGPT here. ChatGPT. So ChatGPT we will explore here. After this one, so we will do one mini project. Mini project means, So based on the, I'm having some data, for example, I'm having, for example, one data is there. So ChatGPT is a general okay application, means it has everything. Okay, complete like a medical data, engineering data, everything is there. But it is like a general. Now pertaining to the my own domain, my company data is there. So particularly for that data only, I would like to build my own ChatGPT for my company. So that is a thing in the mini project. I will be discussing that thing only, where so we can able to build our own ChatGPT with the help of the ChatGPT API only. Okay, so that is the discussion we're having in the complete. So these 3 days, guys. Okay. So understood what I'm saying, and also we will be discussing opportunity scope of the after discussion of the complete generative AI. So what is scope actually? Okay, I mean what are the packages we are getting and what are the roles are there? Okay, so everything I will be discussing in these 3 days. Okay, is that fine? Is everything is cool?
Yeah, okay, fine, Sai Kumar. Yes.
Yeah, great. Yeah. So for example, yeah. Now let us understand the generative AI. Okay, it is a very broad term, guys. I mean, concluding the generative in the single class is impossible actually. But let us try to see the some important things of the generative AI. So for example, I'm saying that generative AI means so something like a, it is generating something. Okay, generating something, generative. Okay, using the AI. Okay, here using, so generative AI means simply I'm writing here. Okay, and that if you can able to so divide these two terms, so it is generating something using the AI. Okay, here key term is what actually, so it is not learning something, it is not what is that so seeing something, but it is by itself only, it is generating something. Okay, it may be images, it may be videos, it may be text, any kind of data maybe. Okay, using what, using the artificial intelligence. Okay, so our artificial intelligence is like a heart for the our generative AI. Without artificial intelligence we cannot able to do with our generative AI. Okay, so in that one, let us see the some of the good applications of the our generative AI. Okay, good applications of the generative AI. So guys, in the two things are there. One is the AI will be there. AI means so sometimes we have to show the data. Okay, based on the data only it can, so for example existing data only it is showing to us. Okay, but generative AI means it is not the existing data, but based on the given data it is generating by itself, it is generating the new data for the so given input actually. Okay, so in the same thing we will see the one of the so good applications in this one. So let me open my browser here. If you see, everybody know the ChatGPT, right? So it is, I mean, nothing to show actually, but I will try to show you the things here. ChatGPT is something, guys, based on the given prompt. Okay, guys, I mean also prompt means we will be learning the prompt engineering also in this one. So okay, yeah. So the thing is, so based on the prompt we have given, so it is generating the data based on the our input. For example, so how to prepare, okay, prepare so Hyderabad biryani. Okay, Hyderabad biryani. So we know that, right? So if I give this the input to this so ChatGPT, it can able to give the complete recipe of the complete Hyderabad biryani. We can able to prepare these things. Of course, for the cooking purpose, we're having some other artificial intelligence applications are there, but ChatGPT also can able to give the proper one also. So can able to see, guys, how much clearly step by step it can able to give the data. So we can able to see here. I'm having a GPT is there, right, guys? Okay, so ChatGPT is there. Okay, before that one we're having a one more GPT is there. Exact version is I didn't remember, but GPT is there. So GPT also kind of the generating kind of thing, but the thing is the disadvantage with the previous version of GPT is, okay, so the thing is like a, it don't have the interface. Okay, so if you want to exaggerate of the ChatGPT means, so ChatGPT is having that much what is the usage and so got that much fame because of their interface. Okay, because of this interface, what is the interface you are seeing? Okay, with the having the search box here, and so much this because of this interface only ChatGPT got that much fame actually. But before that one also, one GPT is there. I mean, I didn't exactly remember the GPT version, but it is also giving the proper, I mean, when we give the given prompt based on that, it can able to generate the output. Okay, but not in the interface. So that is the only difference between these things. And of course, some version things also there, some train data also given to the this ChatGPT kind of thing. Okay, so that is the thing, guys. So this is one of the our generative AI kind of application. Okay, so which is generating the new data, new information based on the our artificial intelligence. Okay, so for building this ChatGPT, guys, so there may be NLP will be there, there may be transformers. Okay, some embeddings will be there for implementing this or creating this ChatGPT. So I'm introducing the very new terms to you. So we will be learning the what is the meaning of the terms in the upcoming classes. Okay, maybe in the next class also maybe. Okay, so that is a one of the our good generative AI kind of application. And if you see, so DALL-E also there, for example, so which will create the based on the given prompt, it will create the one image for us. For example, so if I give one prompt like that, so generate a image, generate a image. I'm giving you one prompt. I'm giving one prompt here, image. So a black Audi car, a black Audi car, okay, standing standing in New York City, okay, New York City, okay, New York City. So beside of lion. Let us see it can able to generate or not. Beside of lion. So it is generating some based on this prompt given. It is generating some image for this one. Let us see that one. Okay, yeah. Hola guys, can you see? Can you able to see, guys? So a black Audi car which is standing in the New York City, and beside I'm having a one lion. Okay, guys, can you see how much computation it required, guys? How much computation? How much? What is that network is required to? So generate this based on this prompt, it is generating this kind of beautiful image within the no time. Actually, we can say. So guys, so we will be discussing how can we build such kind of applications. So using the generative AI, we will be seeing in the upcoming classes. Okay, so that is one of the good application. And also not only this thing, guys, we're having a, so we know, right, our AWS Code Whisperer is there. Okay, and we're having a which is this one, GitHub Copilot is there, where we're having the, so it will generate the code instantly based on the given prompt. And also if you see the Google Colab, where we're having a chatbot, Gemini chatbot for the generating the code for that thing. So everywhere there will be a, so this kind of applications are there. Okay, so this is only possible because of the generative AI, guys. Okay, generative AI. Okay, so we will be discussing these things in the an implementation part in the upcoming classes for sure. Okay, so is everything is clear, guys, up to this point? Is everything is fine?
Yeah, it is.
Can you able to understand? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Thanks for the response. Yeah, so this is something, some limited applications only, but in the upcoming classes I will show you with the help of cloud platform, some LLMs I will be using for the generating this kind of applications. Okay, so that is some simple applications of the our generative AI. Okay, so let us understand. Let us understand so what is the generative AI. I mean, if you want to give the, what is that, like a definition for the generative AI means. Okay, so generative AI means generative artificial intelligence. Intelligence. Intelligence means, so I'm giving you some technical, not technical, so of course technical it is. So generative artificial intelligence definition, Gen AI we can say, so is a type of so type of AI, of course, artificial intelligence. So that can create, of course, new content. Of course, I'm saying you that it's a new content, not existing content. So generative artificial intelligence is type of the AI that can create the new content, not existing one. So if you see, for example, if you see the machine learning kind of thing, so that may produce the existing one only, but in this one, so we're having the new content. It will create the new content for us. New content such as, what is the example, such as audio, audio and images. We can say images. So text, okay, text, code, okay, and videos, etc. and videos. So like that, this is generative. So generative artificial intelligence is a type of AI that can create the new content such as audios, images, text, code, and the videos. So we will be working audios. Okay, recently we are developing this thing, but we will be so discussing the images, text, code, and the videos. So let us see audio kind of thing. If we can able to implement this thing, so it's well and good actually. Okay, let us see that thing. Okay, yeah. So that is something about a technical information, a definition of the our generative AI. Okay, it is going to create a new content. Okay, which is not there actually. So based on the existing content, it will create the new content for us. Okay, so that is called as a our generative AI kind of application. Okay, now we will understand what is the okay. I told you we will understand what is the artificial intelligence, what is the machine learning. So this thing, right? Let me copy paste this thing. So what is the artificial intelligence and what is the machine learning? Okay, and what is deep learning? So these are the terms, guys. I will be giving you the brief. Okay, so what is that information of the each and everything, so that so understanding will be very good in the generative AI kind of thing. Okay, so let us understand this thing. So first of all, artificial intelligence. So if you want to understand the artificial intelligence means, so artificial, yeah, please. If you don't speak anything means you can go to the mute. Okay. Okay. So who are the newcomers are there? I will be taking your introduction at the end of the class. Okay. Yeah. So artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a broad, we can say, it is also kind of a broad field in the computer science. Okay, let me write the thing. So artificial intelligence. Okay. So artificial intelligence is a, we can say, is a broad field of, okay, one second, field of so computer science, of course we know computer science. Okay, so that focus on, I'm giving you a clear definition, focuses on creating the intelligent system. Okay, intelligent system. Okay, system, so capable of, what is the, okay, what is the result of this intelligent system? So those are capable of, okay, capable of, so performing, let me complete this, guys. Performing so tasks, okay, tasks that typically this is an important term. So typically one second, typically require human intelligence. Okay, human intelligence. Okay, so let us understand. Artificial intelligence is the broad field of computer science that focus on creating the intelligent system, so capable of performing the tasks that typically require human intelligence. So if you know, for example, for doing the some typical tasks, okay, so on that time our human intelligence is very important. So based on the human intelligence, we can able to solve any kind of problem. Okay, it may be critical problem, any kind of problem we can able to solve. So that is the thing, right? Now same thing, we are with the help of artificial intelligence, we are taking the same intelligence that focus on the creating the intelligent, okay, intelligent system that capable of the performing the task that typically human required. So intelligence actually, okay, that means, so what are the humans can able to do the task? For example, any typical task is there, so human can able to do the by spending some time, so by spending some intelligence, so you can able to solve the any kind of problem actually. The same way, artificial intelligence are the same thing. That can also perform like a human being. Okay, it can able to apply the intelligence of the human being. Okay, so and also ultimately it can able to solve the problem. Okay, so that is the understanding of the artificial intelligence, guys. Okay, as of in the first class, I'm giving you the very, so what is that, a brief introduction to the artificial intelligence only. So let us understand the our, so some example now. Okay, for example, if I'm having a, okay, if you want to understand the artificial intelligence in the very layman terms, I will show you that thing. So I will, let me take 5 minutes to discuss this thing. Okay, so if I want to understand AI in layman terms, very easy words, easy terms means, okay, let us take one baby. Okay, I'm having a very baby boy or baby girl. Okay, I'm having a baby actually. So how the baby can learn something? Okay, so here for example, I'm showing one apple to the one apple is there actually. I'm showing that apple to the my baby actually. Okay, so my baby can able to see the what is the shape of the apple, what is the color of the apple, and what is that any other things of the apple. So which is means baby can able to find out the which is in the round shape and which is red in color. So that is the apple, right? Okay, like that baby can able to find out some patterns, find out some some patterns are like we can say so patterns are some let us take patterns only. Okay, patterns means what the patterns are there in the apple, so which is in the round in shape. Okay, round in shape and round in shape and red in color. Okay, red in color, so that is called as a our what is it, our apple, right? Our apple. So the next day I like that, if I keep in front of baby, if I keep a bunch of fruits now, bunch of fruits. Okay, bunch of fruits means it may have the in that bunch of fruits I'm having a so like a banana is there, pomegranate is there, like a so watermelon is there, and apples are there. So some different fruits are there in the bunch of fruits. Now based on the okay, my baby can able to see that bunch of fruits based on the okay what is that patterns he had learned. Okay, baby already learned the some patterns, so which is the red in color, okay, and round in shape, that is called apple, right? So by seeing that bunch of fruits, my baby can able to by what is the remembering that okay, the patterns, it can able to pick that apple from that bunch of fruits. Okay, understood how the things are going to learn. Okay, our baby how the things are going to learn. So same thing guys, our artificial intelligence also like a our simple baby only, our AI also like a baby only. Okay, so how the things are going means, so for example, if I given that so for the AI, I mean for example a robot kind of thing. Okay, a robot. Okay, a robot is there. Now I would like to robot to classify between identify the given the two fruits. One fruit is like a what is a banana, okay, banana, and one more fruit is like a apple, okay, banana and apple. So now I'm asking robot to first of all okay pick the apple from this one. So same way before this thing I need to make us a robot to understand about the apple first of all. Okay, for that reason that is called as a okay, so to make our artificial intelligence, our robot to understand about the so apple, so that is called as a model training phase. Okay, so I'm introducing the very I mean what is that to say new terms to you, model training phase. Okay, means what is exactly model training means, where so I will show the for example a 10,000 like a 5,000 apples to the 5k apples to the okay our robot. So by seeing that, so each and every apple I will show that this apple to the our robot. So robot can able to find out the so what is the different shape. Okay, so from that 5,000 apples it can able to learn the so many things. Okay, so it can able to learn the so many patterns. Okay, patterns like a color, shape, any other things are there. So it can able to learn. At the end of the day, when I give the one bunch of fruits, my robot can able to find out the what is that, find out the what is the apple in the bunch of fruits. Okay, completely in the if you take the baby or a robot kind of thing, what is the common thing guys? So finding out the patterns, finding out the feature map, we can able to say technically it is like a feature map. So that is a feature map. Okay, patterns means what, simply what is the color, what is the size, what is the shape. So these kind of things are the patterns. So I will be discussing the more about patterns in the upcoming classes. So as of now, for in the layman terms, I would try to explain the what is the artificial intelligence means. Okay, so that is the artificial intelligence guys. So that means we are doing something like a we are giving the our human intelligence to the our robot or I mean our robot kind of thing. Then we can able to say that means artificially we are giving that intelligence, right? So that is the reason we are calling it as a artificial intelligence. Okay, how the human beings are learning something. So same way, same pattern we are finding. We are trying to make us learn the robots also. So artificially, that is called it is called as a our artificial intelligence. Okay, so understood what I'm saying is, so that means So for this one, for training, for make us our robot to understand, our artificial intelligence to understand what is the thing, guys, we need to do. So we have to show the data first of all. Okay, we have to show the data first of all. Then only by having the data only, our robot can able to learn something. That means if you don't show anything to the our robot, means robot don't know anything. For example, baby is there. If I don't show anything to the our baby, so will baby can able to learn anything? Of course not, right? Same way for the our AI kind of thing. So guys, in the first class itself, I'm trying to make you understand with the help of layman terms only. But in the upcoming classes, I will make you understand with the very technical terms and with the help of implementation part also. Okay. So that is the end for today, guys. So these are the, I mean, we're having here some more time. So in between, I mean, if I start the machine learning means it will take so much time again. So that's the reason I'm stopping here. So in the tomorrow's class, I will be giving you the some use case of the machine learning, very beautiful use case of the machine learning, how the machine learning can able to learn. Okay, what is the deep learning? Okay, so what is exact deep learning and what is the difference between the machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence? Okay, and most important thing, so the complete in the entire universe. So who is the intelligent species, guys? Okay, our human being. And why human being is the most intelligent species in the entire universe means, so let us try to understand in the tomorrow's class. Okay, so this is time for you guys. So if you're having any questions, you can ask me. So regarding the generative AI and also who are the new people are there, so you can give the introduction to yourself.